Today's topic, bossy R. You will need a mirror and a recording device, your telephone, or something to record your voice. Let's practice the R sound. AR makes the R sound just like the letter R. R, R, R. Let's say the word car. Car, car. The OR sound is or. Or, or. Like in apple, core. Core, core. Remember, that E is silent. Core. Great job. Now these three have the same sound. ER, IR, UR, say Repeat after me. Her, girl, curl. Great job. Now let's look at the mouth and the tongue when we say the sound. Try to copy and repeat the sound. R, 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 her, her, girl, 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 her, curl, 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 girl, her, curl, her, girl.